Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Fingerbeats, and in this video I'll be showing you how to import your MIDI instrument into your Cubase. Very easy. I'll be showing you two ways to import your Cubase into your MIDI instrument into your Cubase. I'm using Cubase 12. So let's get started. First thing, you come to click on this studio. When you come to this studio, you see VST instrument. So you click on VST instrument. So you have this. So now you click on this rack. There you have your MIDI instrument. So you can just search. Let me use this. You can just search. So let it load. So it will ask you if you wanted to create a MIDI track file. So you create, and here you have it. You can see. So that's just that. Is as easy as that. So or if you want to add another one, you can just go through the same process, the same steps, you can just go through. Can just go through the same process. Let it load up, so you can. It's as easy as that. This is the first. Here you have it. So here you have it. So, and the second way to add your MIDI instrument is by just left click on your mouse and you see add instrument track. Just click it. There you have it. You can select any instrument you want here. So let me use this, and let's see. So it will load it up for you. So it's as easy as this. There you have it. There you have it. So that's just that. There you have it. So that is how to add your MIDI instruments on your Cubase. If this video has been helpful to you, kindly subscribe to my channel.